Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday, dear Austin.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Happy birthday.
Nice.
Let's get one. There's no thing on this one. Let's get A. You shouldn't get A. I choose to get the B, P, the other,
I got A because
I
it's
got
my
H.
first name, it's my last name.
I call H. It's first name and then
Please.
last
Happy birthday, Austin. Are you 13 today?
No, my God.
What age are you?
10.
Oh, all right, you're 10. Okay.
10 big years.